Ever find yourself stuck in the kitchen, wondering what to cook for dinner, yet again? It's a common predicament, one that we've all faced. Daily meal planning and preparation can be a relentless chore, consuming our time and energy. It's all too easy to fall into the trap of serving up unhealthy, quick-fix meals when we're pressed for time or simply out of ideas. It's a cycle of stress and compromise that leaves us yearning for a better solution. Imagine a world where you never have to worry about what's for dinner. Enter our meal delivery service. Your answer to fresh, healthy, and delicious meals without the stress of cooking. Our service brings you a world of convenience right to your doorstep, with a variety that caters to every palate. We believe that you should eat what you love and love what you eat. Imagine having a team of professional chefs at your service, preparing meals that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also cater to your nutritional needs. From vibrant vegetables to succulent proteins, every ingredient is handpicked to ensure you get the best quality. Each meal is designed with a balance of taste and health in mind, because we believe that good food should also be good for you. We're more than just a meal delivery service. We're a solution for the busy individual, the adventurous foodie, the health-conscious eater, and everyone in between. Say goodbye to the hassle of cooking and hello to more free time. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what some of our satisfied customers have to say. Take Sarah, for example. She's a busy working mom who struggled with the daily dinner dilemma. Now she sings praises for the taste and quality of our meals. I was pleasantly surprised with the flavors. She says, it's restaurant quality food right at home and it's a total game changer. Then there's John, a fitness enthusiast who loves the convenience our service offers. The meals are easy to heat and serve. I don't have to worry about cooking after a long day at the gym. Plus, there's a variety to choose from, so I'm never bored. And let's not forget about Emma, a senior citizen who finds our service a blessing. Before, I had to rely on others for my meals. Now, I have a variety of delicious options delivered right to my door. It's given me a sense of independence I hadn't felt in years. Our service has also been a lifesaver for foodies like George. I love trying different cuisines, and this service lets me explore a world of flavors without stepping foot in a kitchen. Every meal feels like a culinary adventure. It's not just about food, it's about the freedom and ease it brings to their everyday lives. These are only a few stories out of the countless satisfied customers we've served. These were real experiences from real customers who found freedom in their kitchens thanks to our service. The benefits of our meal delivery service go beyond just saving you time in the kitchen. Imagine a world where your grocery shopping list shrinks, where your refrigerator isn't cluttered with half-used ingredients. That's the world we offer, a world with less food waste and more environmental consciousness. Our service brings a diverse range of meals straight to your doorstep, introducing your taste buds to an array of flavors they might not have encountered otherwise. That's not just variety, that's culinary adventure in the comfort of your own home. And let's not forget the gift of time. With our service, you get more hours in your day to spend on activities you love, whether that's unwinding with a good book, spending quality time with family, or simply catching up on much-needed rest. Our prices are competitive, and our subscription options are flexible to fit your lifestyle. With so many benefits, it's no wonder our customers are raving about us. Ready to break free from the daily cooking hassle? It's time to take the leap and embrace the convenience of our prepared meal delivery service. Picture this, a world where you can enjoy sumptuous meals, freshly prepared and delivered right to your doorstep without lifting a finger. Sounds tempting, right? And there's more. We believe that everyone deserves a break from the kitchen. That's why we're offering a special introductory discount for all our first-time customers. Yes, you heard it right. Your first taste of freedom from the kitchen comes with an irresistible price slash, so why wait? It's time to turn your culinary dreams into reality. Make your mealtime stress-free, delicious, and diverse with our service. No more grocery shopping, no more meal planning, no more cooking. Just pure, unadulterated enjoyment of mouth-watering meals. Give our meal delivery service a try and discover the joy